Adios, amigos.
Hey PowerBI fans, do you struggle with displaying dates, numbers, or currency properly in your reports? No worries, the format function in tags lets you customize how your data looks without changing the actual values. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use format with an Excel dataset to format dates, currency, and numbers like a pro. Stay tuned for a special bonus tip at the end that will level up your Power BI reports. Let's jump in. Let's bring our dataset into Power BI. I have a simple sales data table in Excel with the following columns: order date, sales amount, and order ID. Let's import this into Power BI. Let's say we want to display order dates for different formulas. We can use format like this. Format date is equal to format of sales of order data, and according to that we have to place the month, date, and year. So this will shows the dates as mentioned in the formatted date DAX formula. Like that we can also display only the month name. This makes your reports much more readable and user friendly. Now let's talk about the format function. This tags function helps us change how values are displayed without altering the data type. It follows the syntax format of value of format string. Value is the number or date you want to format. Format string is the pattern for formatting, for example, currency short date. Let's apply this to format dates and numbers. Let's take it a step further. What if you want to show total sales in a KPI card with the proper formatting? For that, we can create the DAX measure like total sales is equal to format of sum of sales amount, and also place the hash in front of dollar. Now let's format numbers and currency values. Let's take our sales amount column and apply formatting. So that for that we can apply the DAX formula as format sales equal to format sales of sales amount. According to that we have to place currency. Like that it will display the sales as $1250 instead of just 1250. And if you need to remove decimal places, we can place the DAX function like no decimals equal to format of sales amount. According to that we have to place the hash places. This helps make financial reports much clearer. And that's it for today's tutorial and format in Power BI DAX. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more Power BI tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Question of the day: what's your favorite way to use format in Power BI? Let me know in the comments. See you in the next video. Happy Power BI.